Vitamin B3, often known as niacin, is a necessary vitamin that aids in the effective utilization of nutrients from diet, preventing diseases and vitamin deficiencies like dry skin and fatigue. Vitamin B3 is one of the few vitamins produced by the human body, however, in little levels and inadequate for the optimal functioning of the body. As a result, it mostly contributes through foods. Because you only have a limited supply, you should eat every day. Animal based foods like poultry, fatty meats, and fish are high in these vitamins. Pellagra and other disorders can be prevented with vitamin B3. Its main job is to provide energy for the body's metabolism. It also helps the brain to work properly. The 12 healthiest foods high in vitamin B3. Number 1, chicken and turkey. Chicken and turkey are popular foods, and the good news is that they are high in niacin as well. The vitamin B3 content of a 100-gram piece of cooked chicken breast is 14.8 mg. Turkey is abundantly available and commonly used in sandwiches. Number 2, tuna fish. Niacin is abundant in tuna as it is in salmon. 3 ounces of drained canned tuna supplies 43% of your daily vitamin B3 needs. Selenium, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12 are among the other essential minerals contained. Number 3, brown rice. Brown rice is a well-liked complex carbohydrate source. It is a great way to include a lot of whole grain into your diet. Niacin is abundant in many plant foods as well as meat and fish. As a result, vegetarians can consume a wide range of vitamins B3 rich meals. For example, a cup of cooked brown rice contains 26% of the daily required quantity of this vital vitamin. Number 4, whole grain bread. Whole grains are more nutritious than refined grains. Thus, this type of bread is an excellent choice for your health. For example, a slice of wholemeal bread contains 7% of the daily required niacin consumption. It also comes with a plethora of functions. The minerals iron, magnesium, and selenium are all essential. Number 5, peanuts. Peanuts are abundant in protein, good fat, and low in carbohydrates. They are rich in minerals including copper, manganese, potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, and selenium. More than 25% of your daily niacin needs can be met by a handful of raw peanuts or a few tablespoons of peanut butter. Peanuts and peanut butter are a fantastic source of healthy fat and protein for vegans and vegetarians. Nuts and nut butter can be used to augment your diet if you don't eat meat. They are also high in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that has a variety of skin benefits.
Number 6, sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are noted for their high mineral content, which include vitamin B3. Sunflower seeds have 8.3 mg of vitamin B3 per 100 gram serving, which is 42% of the recommended intake. They are also high in vitamin E as well as folic acid, thiamine, and riboflavin, which are all B complex vitamins.
Number 7, potatoes. Niacin is found in a variety of plants, including potatoes. A medium cooked potato provides 12% of the daily vitamin B3 requirement. This vegetable also contains vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese, among other minerals. Number 8, green peas. Vegetarians should not be concerned about their vitamin B3 intake because several vegetarian meals, including peas, are high in this vitamin. Fresh green peas provide 2.1 mg of niacin per 100 gram or 10% of the recommended intake. In contrast, a cup of cooked frozen peas and a cup of canned peas contain 12% and 8% of the daily intake of niacin respectively. They are also high in protein. They are also quite adaptable and can be used to boost vitamin B3 level in any meal. Number 9,
Broccoli. Broccoli is an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Broccoli is high in niacin, making it one of the best natural sources. One serving of boiled or steamed broccoli contains 1 milligram of niacin and 34 calories. Apart from establishing enough niacin level in the body, broccoli also contains a variety of other health benefits that can assist you in achieving your objectives. B3, K, and A vitamins are all beneficial. This vegetable has a high concentration of this substance. It is also high in potassium and manganese. Number 10, bananas. Bananas are another good source of vitamin B3. A medium banana will do the trick 4% of the recommended daily niacin intake. Additionally, this fruit is an excellent source of antioxidant. Potassium and magnesium as well as fiber are all important nutrients. Number 11, raisins. Raisins are a good source of vitamin B3 and other minerals. You will get 3% of your daily niacin need from half a cup of raisins. Thiamine, riboflavin, and vitamin B6 are among the other B vitamins found. Raisins also have a high potassium, manganese, and iron content. Despite their numerous health benefits due to their high sugar content, they should always be consumed in moderation. Number 12, avocados. Avocados are high in a variety of vitamins and minerals. Avocados are high in omega 3 fatty acid, which can help keep your blood pressure in balance. Avocados contain 22% of the daily required amount of vitamin B3, making them a rich source of the vitamin. Avocados are a nutrient dense fruit with a low sugar content, making them incredibly healthful.